is we put everything on this cart. We got trash cans and all of our little tools on the side, so that way it's saving space and eliminating waste. So we're just eliminating waste just a little bit at a time. Now, this is where they are now. Just improving a little bit, but we're going to improve on this a little bit more. There's more to come. See you later. On the S-line, just want to show you guys something. We've been, I got a little metal piece back here from Reggie. He formed it for me. Thank you for him. And well, we've been putting all the clamps up here, hanging it on some bolts, and we got some burner plates right here. And that's our 2-second lane, lean and clean. So getting rid of this, and here's the new one. All my stuff is on it, all my tools, everything that I need. And then over here I got all my parts. Good morning, my name is Justin Mead. I'm currently the team lead of the S-Line, but so I was wanting to give you guys an update on this chair. The last person that was making the improvements was before the guy that's on it right now on this project, but his name is Preston, and this is the new revision that he came up with. It's lighter than the heavier version that it was, and what's really cool that I really enjoy, because sometimes we run into obstacles on this area, is whenever this guy is sitting here doing this job, what's nice is I can tap him on the back, lift this up, and all the prep work that needs to be done to start the unit, I can roll this over to the next one that's down the line or coming from the other line. I can use everything on here and do the prep up work for the next one. And that'll definitely help this guy out, and it has numerous times that we have run through some obstacles. So that's one of the cool revisions right now, or things that we have come up with. Anyways, we still got a few things to label and redo whenever it comes to our tooling, so that way if we're missing something, we know exactly what it is, especially for anyone new. We can definitely just get it labeled. But other than that, as you can see, all the hardware that is needed is here, all the tooling is here. We really don't have to leave our stations for anything, and that was one of the biggest obstacles whenever I first started this job. So that's really cool, seeing that it's working and we're still making improvements. So thank you.